Today is card playing day, but everybody's been feeling kind of crappy today, and it's also getting kind of late. So I'm just gonna play solitaire real quick to celebrate card playing day. I'm going to try freesolitaire.org. Okay. It works just like playing on the desktop. Pretty cool.
I'm getting my energy out.
Oh, you are? Well, I suppose that's probably a good thing. I feel like it's not even possible to lose if you're only going through one card at a time. I think that's kind of dumb. I feel like I'm missing something. Shoot. I guess it is possible to lose just going through one card at a time. I wanted to see what happens when the cards like get all gone, if they do some sort of special thing or something. Stop.
And you can tell
We need a
like she
4.
said earlier, we don't feel very good.
Yeah.